Hello students, in Unit 2, page 15, at the top of the page we have a speaking exercise or a little exercise called The World of Work. And what we can do is match objects that we see to jobs. Just make sure we know the connection between English thing and an English job as well. So for example, we have these images here of things here and also the jobs here from earlier on in the unit. Architect, writer, window washer, doctor, movie director, blogger, pilot, and police officer. Okay, so just talking through this, we can see the first object, number one, is what we say in English. These are handcuffs. Handcuffs, okay? And handcuffs, of course, would be connected to the police officer. So we'll write, just instead of writing the numbers, or excuse me, writing the sentences, we'll write the letters. Handcuffs, police officer. Number two, what is this? This is a camera. So we can say this large camera is a movie director. Next one, we can say are plans or schematics. Okay, these are plans or schematics for building, and then we can say that this is for the architect. Of course, the next one is an airplane or plane, and we can say that this is for the pilot. The next one is, in English we say stethoscope. Stethoscope, used for reading or listening to the heartbeat. Okay, stethoscope. So usually a doctor would use the stethoscope. Number six, we have our, we can say maybe writer. Okay, so this is like a notebook or journal. We can say a writer, okay. And then we have number seven. Of course, we have gloves and sponge and cleaning products. We can say number seven. And finally, we have maybe 8, could be a blogger or could be movie director. You can change the two. So let's just say number 8 can go here and number 2 can go here. Okay, camera for blogger or camera for movie director, and this can be movie director as well. So it's very important that when you see the object, you can connect it to notebook, writer, stethoscope, doctor, airplane, pilot. Okay, and just to double check, underneath we can also use exercises like making lists of jobs, but also talking about what are the more difficult jobs, interesting jobs, dangerous jobs, and boring jobs. So when we're having conversations together, we can ask each other, what's your dream job? What job do you like? What job do you hate? Or in your country or in the world, what are the best jobs? What are the worst jobs? What are the most difficult? What are the most interesting, dangerous, and boring jobs? These are good conversation topics at the end of the unit when we're talking about jobs and what do you do. Okay.